All right, guys, so for the bench challenge, the first exercise you're going to be doing is a bench or box jump. So here you want to jump in a squat position onto the bench in a squat position and then just step right back down. You want to make sure that you land softly on your toes here and you don't bang your feet against the bench. So keep it nice and controlled. You can go slow and get these done with good form, keeping your chest up and your shoulders back and making sure you're trying to get as low as you can in that squat. You can also modify these by just simply stepping. So you can make them low impact by stepping up and then staying in a low squat and then stepping right back down. Moving on, you're going to be doing single leg step-ups. Here you want to stay nice and close to the bench. Controlled movements here. Step one leg up and extend the knee and then step right back down. And you want to repeat on the other side as well. To tricep dips. So here we're working the back of the arms, so stay close to the bench here with your hands turned outwards and your shoulders nice and back, and you want to dip down and all the way back up. So now we're going to move on to toe taps. This is more of a cardio movement and will get your heart rate right up if it's not already up. So here you want to just keep on tapping, alternating your foot, and for a more low impact version, you can just simply tap and step rather than jump. All right, moving on to incline push-ups, working the chest and arms. So here you want to make sure that your wrist is directly underneath your shoulder and your chest is at the level of the bench. Now you want to bend the elbow and lower yourself down in one swift movement. And then if you want to move up and make it a little bit easier, you can move up just a little bit higher on the bench for a little bit more of an easy version. Make sure your back is completely straight and core tight. All right, now we're working lateral step-ups. So you want to have one foot on the bench at all times while you bend the knee that's on the bench and you lower your leg down, up and down until you complete the movement. You want to keep your chest up and you want to make sure that you have good control here. So go slow, don't rush the movement, and then repeat on the other side. Working on lower abs now and core, we're going to do ins and outs on the bench. So sitting on the edge of the bench, keeping your chest up, you're going to extend your legs all the way out in a straight line and then bring your knees back in, making sure you initiate the movement from the abs.